Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to make soup. Remember this? I cooked this other day, the hock. I'm gonna put that on top of my noodles. And I have some vegetables, and that is the fresh noodles that I'm going to use. And there's mushroom enoki, and these are garlic, roasted garlic and white peppers. And we're gonna need a lot of stock, like 6 to 8 cups. Okay, but first we need to cook the noodles first. Alright. Okay, we need the water really boil. Then we drop the noodles. This is like 4 minutes only, and then we need to wash the noodles with the water, of course. So now we need to drop the if we have leftover curd, so we just like use that, right? 4 minutes. Can you timer that? You just put your heat too high, on high heat. That way the noodles will even to cook. Okay, we need to drain this noodle and run the water. Alright, because if you don't drain the water with water, it can stick together. Alright, now we're going to make a soup for the noodles. So this is the broth. This is like 6 cups. If you need more, you can just add another 1 cup or 2 cups of broth. Right now we just have to wait until that boil and put some of the other ingredients. Okay, now let's add the white pepper. Just stir it. And then we'll add the vegetables. Then we'll add the string onions, the green onions. And now we'll add the sesame oil, just like 1/2 teaspoon. There you go. Optional, the sesame oil is optional. If you don't have one, that's fine. But it's better you have it. Your soup will smell good if you have that one. Okay, just simmer that like 2 minutes. Now let's add mushroom. This one is cooked only like 1 minute. Now you can turn off your fire now. And drop your string onions. Just leave it there like 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. All right. It's so simple and easy and quick. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to arrange all the vegetables. My vegetables around on it. This is yummy soup. Okay, now I'm gonna put the hock. I don't have a chili, so just this one. They won't cooperate with me. Alright. Now let's drop some noodles, soup. It's up to you how much soup you want, but me, I love soup and vegetables. There we go. Now let's garnish some green onions on top. Another green onions. And the last one is garlic. This is optional. If you don't have one, just do like a soup only. Alright guys, here is my noodle soup with braised hock, pork hock. Alright, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, see ya next time. Alright guys, here is my noodle soup with the braised pork hock with the vegetables. Okay, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Okie dokie, see ya. Okay, let's try my soup. Oh my goodness, this soup is so good. Really good. I like mushroom, you know. Mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. It's so good.